This is the very first event of that kind, the first event that globally brings together all actors interested and involved in ABC.
It is a unique opportunity today to discuss on the experiences of those all actors and also to discuss on the challenges that this new technology is raising. All the relevant actors are really present here today.
We had also non-EU countries participating. Some of those countries have quite a lot of experience with the use of such systems. So in that sense, I think it was an eye-opener also for us.
Hong Kong as an example, last year we have altogether 253 million records in our records altogether made by residents and tourists in just 1 year. So it is not possible to have corresponding increase in manpower, and I think the ABC is the solution.
I think the key messages and lessons learned are very much around the importance and the interest in the directions about balancing security and also balancing facilitation.
Of course, we cannot disregard the role of the border guards because they bring the human factor to the border checks.
The most important aspect at this very moment is standardization and interoperability.
We have lots of ABC systems and they're looking all different, and that's a big problem. It would be very helpful if we can achieve some kind of standard and say, okay, this is an ABC system, this is how it looks like.
The harmonization of both the interface for the traveler and also of the technology component that are embedded in this ABC, that is absolutely necessary.
Things that should be looked more into is the further refinement of the biometric comparison process. There's also the introduction of other biometric features.
ABC is definitely a technology for the future. As we have biometrics coming in our passports, it makes a lot of sense, of course, to use technology to read these biometrics.
ABC were also conceived as and is one of the drivers for issuing electronic passport and capitalizing on that investment. Public key infrastructure element has to be included, the certificates have to be used and then shared. Otherwise, you are not benefiting and taking the full advantage.
When we, in the end, see that we have some homework to do, then it would be good to meet each other again and to see if we can set up targets that we want to achieve in the next few years.